Nanoscience and nanotechnology. Background to nanotechnology. Contents: scientific revolution, atomic structures, emergence of nanotechnology, challenges in nanotechnology, carbon age, new form of carbon from graphene sheet to CNT, applications of nanotechnology, advantages and disadvantages of nanotechnology. Scientific revolution. Nanotechnology paves way for coming scientific revolution. Nano-sized items measures in the billions of a meter and are created through the manipulation of atoms, molecules, or molecular clusters to form structures that range in size from 1 to 100 nanometers. History. The first ever concept was presented in 1959 by the famous professor of Dr. Richard P. Feynman. Invention of the scanning tunneling microscope in 1981 and the discovery of Fullerene C60 in 1985 lead to the emergence of nanotechnology. The term nanotechnology had been coined by 1974. Difference among macro, micro, and nano inches. The fourth generations of nanotechnology. First generation, passive nanostructures. Passive nanotechnology is the generations of nanotechnology in which the products were designed to perform one task. This generation is illustrated in nanostructured coatings, dispersion of nanoparticles and bulk materials, nanostructured metals, polymers and ceramics. Second generation, active nanostructures. Active nanotechnology is the generations of nanotechnology in which the products evolve their functionality such as their structure or state during use. Examples of this generation are self-healing materials, transistors, amplifiers, targeted drugs and chemicals, and energy storage devices. Third generation, systems of nanosystems, refers to nanotechnology that is used as part of other nanotechnology, complex nanosystems that will produce parts for other nanosystems. Fourth generation, molecular nanosystems. Molecular nanosystems is the generation that is most closely linked to Richard Feynman's original theory of nanotechnology, that is miniature factories. It is based on the ability to build complex structures at a molecular level. This generation is currently in the development phase. Atomic structure. Nanotechnology is a group of emerging technologies in which the structure of matter is controlled at the nanometer scale, the scale of small numbers of atoms, to produce novel materials and devices that have useful and unique properties. Internal atomic structure for nanotechnology. Emergence of nanotechnology. The emergence of nanotechnology has led to the design, synthesis, and manipulation of particles in order to create a new opportunity for the utilization of smaller and more regular structures for various applications. In recent years, nano-sized metal oxide particles have gotten much attention in various fields of application due to its unique optical, electrical, magnetic, catalytic, and biomedical properties, as well as their high surface to volume ratio and specific affinity for the adsorption of inorganic pollutants and degradation of organic pollutants in aqueous systems. Challenges in nanotechnology. With the advanced electronics and communication, fear to privacy. With biotechnology, fear of biological weapons, environmental problems, waste of nano industries will not be easy to decompose. Genetic engineered crop require strong pesticides and insecticides. With the advancement in medical death rate will reduce, it means increased population and then there will be shortage of food. What is a carbon age? A carbon is a common element. It forms include diamond, graphite, coal, activated carbon and carbon black. Millions of tons of these materials are used every year in application that include abrasives, tires and water treatment among others. A fullerene is a highly unique form of carbon, a molecule at the nanometer scale. New form of carbon. Carbon in its nanotube form is 100 times stronger than steel and the basis of very high strength composite materials. From graphene sheet to CNT. A sheet of graphene can be rolled up to make a carbon nanotube. CNT can be single wall if made from one layer of carbon atom, or multi-walled when consisting of several layers of graphene sheets. Structure of graphene sheet to CNT. Applications of nanotechnology. energy storage, defense and security, metallurgy and materials, electronics, optical engineering and communication, biomedical and drug delivery, agriculture and food, cosmetics and paints, biotechnology, textile. Advantages of nanotechnology: less pollution, low production cost, mass production in food and consumables, electricity. Disadvantages of nanotechnology: high cost, difficulty in scale up processes, easy inhalability of nanoparticles resulting into lungs diseases, high ability to aggregate in biological system. Thank you.